Hi friends, I am back with a fun 4th of July DIY. Everybody's working on these and doing their different tutorials on these box frames, but here is the take on my idea for the 4th of July. I hope you guys like it. So basically I went online. I knew that I was looking for some type of vintage prints to go with my home. I currently have a modern farmhouse theme here. And so I found that piece, and then this chalk paste is amazing. This is from a studio that I work at. It is a Frank Garcia studio in Upland, and it is just an awesome consistency. I love how thick it is. This is just the first coat, and then I layer with another coat, but you can use whatever paint you want. It's no biggie. This is just my preference. So there's that. So I was almost feeling the vibe after painting this. It almost gave me an anthropology vibe, but I just wanted to show you. I was totally feeling that. Anyway, so I used the gloss Mod Podge to go ahead and add the paper that I cut, and I did a thin layer of that one, and I went ahead and added the piece of paper, and then I layered the top of that with 2 layers of the gloss Mod Podge. You don't need much, guys, but I did do 2 layers. I love the way that they turn out. They look vintage, they look weathered, and I just love that about them. So I did get the bell and these little firework pieces at Hobby Lobby. They were on sale. Everything is 40% off, and I went ahead and whitewashed it so that it fits the theme again. And I took those gold pieces out and I added twine instead. So that's what you have here. And then I went ahead and glued them. I did want to show you that the little eyelet hook I found at the 99-cent store, $1 for this box, and it comes with nails and all the little accessory stuff, and then 12 of those eyelet hooks. All I did was screw it in at the edge, and that's what you have there. I did want to show you what I made last year, which was this awesome little garland out of bandanas that the Dollar Tree had in store, and then I added like a primitive ribbon that I had from Hobby Lobby. So for my third piece was America, America, God shed his grace on. Okay, I'm a big dork. Anyway, so yeah, so I added that, and I was trying to figure out how I could make it, because it was obviously missing something. So I was trying to figure out here what I could do to incorporate it so that it actually matched my theme. So I had another project in mind with these cookie cutters, but this just felt right. So I took one of those cookie cutters. I bought these from Hobby Lobby because I wanted to create something else with them, but I went ahead and whitewashed this and added it in. I love the way that that actually turned out, and I was able to add my little twine at the bottom, and it just worked. They go and they fit every bit of my theme here in my home, and I just love the way these turned out, guys. I hope that you guys like this tutorial. It's super easy. Again, I'm gonna link everything below. You can make these all your own, print anything you want and add it in. They're 5 by 5. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. So I bought these little stamps on Amazon, and I used my distressed ink by Holtz, and I stamped that frame with the word brave. It's a little off center obviously, but I love, again, the way that that looks. Now, I should have probably stamped the word liberty now that I think about it, but that's what came to mind when I saw this frame, brave. I'm not sure why, but I love the way it turned out. There it is, guys. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Follow me on I'll do like 5 times. Okay, take 2. So there it is, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you all, and I will try my best with your requests. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to mention that I did end up adding the wire twine that Dollar Tree had in store, and I added that to the back of each frame, and now it's easy to hang, or if you just want to leave it as is, it just looks cute. And I added some raffia ribbon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.